Baking mistakes to avoid. Essential tips for perfect treats. Welcome back, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into some common baking mistakes and share valuable tips to help you achieve baking perfection. Stay tuned for our quick guide on avoiding these pitfalls. One of the most common baking mistakes is overmixing. Remember, when you overmix your batter, you activate gluten, resulting in tough and dense treats. To avoid this, gently fold in your dry ingredients until just combined. Your baked goods will come out light, fluffy, and delicious. Another crucial factor to consider is oven temperature. Baking at the wrong temperature can lead to uneven cooking, burnt edges, or undercooked centers. Invest in an oven thermometer to ensure your oven is calibrated accurately. Always preheat your oven and double-check the temperature before you start baking. Using cold ingredients directly from the refrigerator can affect the texture and rise of your baked goods. Most recipes call for ingredients to be at room temperature. So, take out your butter, eggs, and other ingredients 30 minutes before baking. This allows for better incorporation and promotes even baking. Accurate measurements are vital in baking. Eyeballing ingredients or using different measuring cups can throw off your recipe's balance. Invest in a good set of measuring cups and spoons. Spoon your dry ingredients into the cup, level it off, and measure precisely for consistent results. Recipe instructions are there for a reason. Skipping steps or altering ingredient quantities can lead to baking disasters. Always read through the entire recipe before you start, and follow each step meticulously. Baking is a science, and precision is key. And there you have it, our quick guide to avoid common baking mistakes. Remember to avoid overmixing, ensure the correct oven temperature, use room temperature ingredients, measure accurately, and follow recipe instructions closely. By mastering these tips, you'll be on your way to creating delightful and perfectly baked treats. Thanks for watching and happy baking.